Hello and good day everyone. We have a new package here and today we're gonna do an unboxing. This unboxing contains ceramic supplies. So let's check it out. I have a little bone-shaped thingy. Couldn't find my very big slicer, so we're just gonna do it this way. It's always fun to do an unboxing. I was patiently waiting for this item. I'm gonna try just slice through the thingy. And we start with packaging peanuts. I see that there's a little thingy right here. I believe this is a sketchbook, but let's check it out. And I will just grab it every now and then. So I will set it to the side. And I will just, oh, you know what, we can just do it this way. So we just get it out of here. I feel like this is the thing I ordered. Oh yeah, I requested this, so that's also fun. Ooh. Okay, we got another small thing. Let me check if there is any more in here. But I feel like that's kind of it. Sorry for all the noise. Yes, I think we got everything out of the box. So I will put on the screen what I ordered right here, so you can check that out. This is a little unboxing. I ordered from Bongers, and she makes handmade ceramics. She does not only make that, but she also makes art prints, and she also is an artist herself. You can see everything is wrapped very nicely. So let me just open the paper thing first. Let me use the bone thing. Okay, let me be careful to only slice off the top layer. Here. Very carefully. Ooh! Oh, this is so cute! Oh, look at this! Look at this! Okay, this is her card. Here you can find all her information. It also says illustration and keramist. Here are all her socials. Ooh, the lovely card. So you can check her out. I will put the link of her socials in the description as well, so you can find her there. So that would be pretty nice. Yeah. Okay, what do we have here? We have a little bit of dot cards of colors that we can try out. Stakiwi colors as well, and I also see some Simply Easy design. So that will be very cute to check out. Then we got a very cute sticker. Is it a sticker set? Yeah, it is a sticker set. Look how cute! I can put this on my new sketchbook. Oh, that's very nice. So cute. And then we have a little card with love yourself, low energy, all kinds of things. And it has a nice pearly finish, as you can see. You can use this as an art print or as a card to someone. Ooh, and another doggy print. Oh, I have a friend who has a dog, so that will be very cute to give to her, especially for the season. I think it's an oliebol. Oh, or is the maybe it's a cookie, but it reminded me of an oliebol. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so this is a card that you can just write yourself like this. So those were the paper thingies. The grab bag, because I ordered a grab bag and a palette. It contained, I requested to have a mug. So I would have a, I already have quite a lot of palettes, and I also ordered, I believe this is the palette I ordered. And I was like, okay, I want something else. And I saw you could request any other things in the comments itself. So I tried to do that. Let's check it out. This is a very sharp X-Acto knife. Ooh. There we go. You can see she wrapped it fairly securely so it would not get damaged. And that way we don't get a broken product. She makes these all herself. These are all handmade. Okay. Oh, this is very exciting. I have no idea what color she chose or what kind of pattern. So we will see. We will see. We're almost there. We almost have it. Oh, ooh, look at that. Oh, it has a leaf pattern. You can see, and you can see the difference between the glaze and the original clay. Very nice. And this is for your brush. So that's very nice. This is the scale, by the way. So this is my hand. Hand for scale. So that's such a nice mug. Or bowl for your brushes. There we go. Okay, let me put this to the side right now. Put the mug right there. Let me show the card like this. I think that's cuter. And then these are all the paper stuffs, paper things. Let me put it to the side there. Okay, I want to do the other parts that are from the grab bag first before I go to the palette that I ordered. One more. Okay, so I think we got a small palette and maybe a pan of some kind. I really recommend checking out. Oh, I got too impatient. Did you see that? I just started tearing the stuff down. Ooh, we got a small. Ooh. Okay, we got two. Oh, so what we got here. You can, if you're a paint maker or you just own watercolor paint, you can pour it in these. And then you have a little star shaped. And this is like a mini brush holder. And this has a more rough texture. But it has a very nice glaze. I think this will be a very nice mixing well. Kind of fits. I don't know. It fits for me. But it's very cute. Look at it. Look at that little star. And then I think we also got a mini palette. So let's look at what the shape will be. I think it's a rectangle. But maybe it will tell us something new. Ooh, oh, that's not a rectangle. Oh, look! That is so cute! Oh, I really like that. I like that about ceramics, sorry. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. And then we have one more thing. Oh, I feel very lucky. Oh, I'm very happy. And because it was a grab bag, that basically meant she chose she chose these items herself. And she put these things together. This is a very small palette with a little bit of spickling. This has a different kind of clay. You can see it's more of a yellowish clay. And then with a white, with a little bit of specks base. Then we have this one. I think this will be fun if you do a 2-color drawing. One color there, one color there. And then this is, oh, woo! At least it makes a good noise. And this is just one small one. I really like this. I like the color. Look at it. Kind of reminds me of mold, but in a very good way. I made an art piece that looks like mold, but I don't know. Maybe I'll put the art piece right here so you kind of have an idea what I mean. Right there. That's my thingy. This side. Okay, but look at that. I really like that. Look at that. Whoa. And then this. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy. I do not know. Maybe I will put one of my own colors in here. Or I will give it away to someone because I feel... No, maybe I will keep it because it's a statement piece. Maybe I'll put like white gouache in this so I can have it display like this. For these, I think I like this as a brush cleaner. Like this as a little water mug. Oh, really cool, really cool. Really like that. Okay, and now to the final thing because I got too excited already. This is what I ordered separately. Let me get my dog bone thing again. She also really wraps it nicely. Oh, let me zoom out. Whoop. So you can see it all comes with like a thread. I do not know what I will be doing with these, but probably reuse them to some different orders or packaging or gifts to other people. You can see she packed it really securely, so there's no falling out. Ooh. Ah! There's something else! Oh, that really surprised me! What? Whoa! I didn't know that! Oh! Okay, breathe. I didn't know there would be another one. This surprised me. I thought it was just this one. Okay, this is the one I ordered. I knew how this looked, and I was really intrigued by the starry night, or just stars in the night pattern. And she makes these cloud shaped. Look, she even has a little stamp. Look at it. She made this in 2021, I think. Yeah, I think so. And then we got a big chunk. Look at that. And it's basically the same kind of pattern as she makes on these mugs. Oh, I'm so happy I could support her this way. Or check this out as well. Oh, is this from when? Oh, this is also 2021. Before she had a different logo. Ooh, read it there. Caitlin Bongers, and then a little leaf. Wow. So keep in mind, guys, she doesn't do these often. I believe this was like the first, maybe the second, I do not know. But for me it was the first time I've seen this. This all together was 30 euros, and this is more than 80 euros value. I believe she had just a bunch of like little things laying around that didn't sell or just accumulated. So she could use this way to sell it, or at least give it away, or you know, sell it for a lesser price. For me, I was really happy that I could be there on time. So I could do this. Oh, so I could do this. So my nose is itchy. So I could do this on time, and I was in time to get some items from her. These little things are basically to put under the palette so they don't slide away. So I will probably stick them on later. Let me just show you the whole thing. Oh, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. Whoa, stay with me. Oh, and guys, I almost forgot, but these, plus these, were all from the grab bag. Keep that in mind. So she gave all these goodies. I wish she had like a little message, but I think she's so busy that she doesn't do a personal message. But it's so pretty. I'm freaking out how pretty it is. Makes me really happy. If you've never made a palette yourself, or you're wondering like how much time does it take? It takes a long time to make ceramics. How do I know that? Because I made one myself. I'm gonna show it real quick because I will never do it again. Sorry, Caitlin. Oh, I made this chongus, and it has a little shrimp cat right there. It's also very thick, and also being used. But it really made me realize how much work this is. So I greatly appreciate how this works, what it looks like, and just her skill in this. And she is improving every time I see a new update. I follow her online. Just really, really impressed. Here I am as a little voiceover Zoibu. I just wanted to show you the items up close and tell you what I think. I thought this card was really cute with the pearl finish, and also with the love yourself and just taking a rest. With this card I already gave it away to a friend of mine, including one of the palettes. And I think she will really like it. It's in the post right now. I put these on my sketchbook they found a new home there. And then here are the watercolor dots. You can see from Simply Easy Design and Stakiwi colors. I never tried Stakiwi colors, so that will be fun to try those colors out. And maybe also put them in the palette or something. I will now show you a closer up, or a close-up, if I can get them out of the sachet. It was kind of a struggle. I wanted to do this neatly, but it didn't really work that well. But here you can see a little close-up. I did not swatch them yet, but maybe I will do that in the future. I have a small collection of dot cards. Very fun to collect, and what I really liked about this package is that it has a little care chart, so it will tell you how to use them. Basically, you put a drop of water, wait for it a little bit, and then you can use them. And usually they work for quite a few paintings. You can use them for 1 or 3, depending how much paint you use. I think this is one of my favorites. I just like the square design, the color. It is not that deep, but it will be very fun to just put a dot of color and then use the other ones to mix or something. I've already used this one. I used ink in this one, and very, very stunning design. I like it a lot for its simplicity. Also used this one as a little ink well, so I just dip my brush pen into the ink and then into the water and then into the ink and then just made background stuff with it. I liked it more than I thought I would. I've been using this a lot as well. Just nice. I can also rest my brush against it. Been very fun. Also kind of aesthetic to have this next to me while I was painting. There we go. Little star I've not used yet, but very cute decoration. What I said before, I think I'll put gouache in this. This palette I also decided to give away because how many palettes do you need? You know, I kind of thought about that, and I think she will be really happy when she receives it. And then the palette that I chose, very cute. Have not used it yet, but I can't wait to use it for some monochrome paintings or some more moody paintings. And then of course the card. Again, very pretty. Love the colors. Thanks so much, Caitlin. I really like the stuff. And yeah, here's a little B-roll footage and then I will go back to my normal talk. Bye! I just want to say, so pretty. I hope you all liked the video. I hope you also liked the little voiceover that I just did. I can't wait to use it. It will probably be in a new traditional video that will be coming soon, maybe in the future, you know how those things go. I hope you liked the little unboxing. Again, Caitlin Bongers, her socials will be in the description, so you can find her here. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, so I know I did a good job. Or you can just say like, oh, good job, you did well. I'm still flabbergasted. I can't wait to use this. Thank you again for watching, and till next time.